Hi, good morning. This is your chef Prakkash. How are you all? From the last 2 days, I'm a little bit busy on the work schedule, so I cannot be able to make some videos for you all. I'm extremely sorry for that. And today, I bring a important message to you all. It's regarding a fever. If it is malaria or any other viral fever or dengue fever, there is lot of fever we are facing in our daily life. It will affect from the children's to old age persons. So today morning I see the one article in the healthline.com. From there only I will learn something and I would like to share with you, and it will be very helpful for you all. If you have a fever, normally we will go to the doctor, and what the doctor will prescribe, we will take the tablet. For example, paracetamol, Adal, like that, any antibiotic. But there is a one scientific proof. If you have a fever, our body RBC will reduce automatically. What is RBC? Red blood corpuscles. When you are in fever or affected by any viral fever, especially for dengue, your RBC will be go down. So once your RBC will count will become high, the automatically your fever will be reduced. That is the real fact. So I will tell you some tips. It is really helpful for you. Instead of taking a English medicine for normal fever or any dengue or whatever it is, please try to do this. It is very simple. Small onion and jaggery, these two is the most important thing to improve your red blood corpuscles. It is not a joke, it is 100% will work out. I have that article, I read it, and it should be very true. Even if you have any friends or any your relatives will be a doctor, if it is they are Ayurvedic doctor or homeopathy doctor, check with them. When I am going to give you the tips now, it is 100% true. I read in that topic, in your fever time, if you intake of small onion and jaggery, it will improve your RBC count. If your RBC count will come up, you will be cured from the fever. This is common. So instead of taking the tablets of English medicine or whatever it is, please try this. 100% it will be work out, because small onion and jaggery will not give any side effect for you. So even if you have a diabetic patient also, jaggery, it's not a problem for you. Just take a bit of jaggery and one piece of small onion. This is 100% workout. Please try it. After that, If you be happy with this remedy, share with your friends also. So I am always keep on searching some good things for you in our video, because I don't want to say any lies. I'm just making video not for earning money. Even in future, if I need something regarding these kind of remedies, I will go and check my videos only. So whatever I will give to you through YouTube, it is useful, and it should be a correct message. So don't worry about it. Try it. Be healthy. Be safety. Thank you so much. And if you have any suggestion, please comment me in the comment box. I will reply for you. Thank you so much.